Hey my cookies, today I'll show you how to make the juiciest chicken thighs in the air fryer. Let's cook. We'll start by seasoning our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'll have everything I use listed down in the description box. It looks like a lot of seasoning, but I promise you I did not overly salt this chicken. It's red from the chili powder and the paprika. And next we're gonna add some fresh thyme and fresh rosemary. A little fresh parsley, okay, a lot. Y'all trust me, right? Add a little mayo. And don't worry, it will not taste like mayo chicken, but the fat in the mayonnaise will keep the chicken extra juicy and moist. Don't get in my comments telling my cookies, oh, substitute Greek yogurt or you can use sour cream. Yeah, you could, but not in my recipe, all right? We're using mayo today. Pop it in the fridge, allow it to marinate for at least an hour, but you can do it overnight as well. When you're ready to cook, preheat your air fryer. Then I like to line my air fryer's basket with aluminum foil. It's completely safe to cook this way. I'm gonna add my chicken in. I like to keep a little bit of space in between each chicken thigh so that they cook evenly. So depending on the size of your air fryer, you may have to cook the chicken in batches. Air fry for about 17 minutes, flipping the chicken halfway. I don't know your air fryer like that, so make sure you check it so that you don't burn it or undercook it. Take it out, wrap it in some foil, and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. During that time, we can work on our lemon pepper sauce. This is optional, but I love it. I just melted some butter, gonna add in some garlic powder, a very, very little pinch of salt, just for a little added flavor. Add in some good quality black pepper, and then we're gonna zest the lemon and add that fresh lemon juice and give it all a stir. Drizzle it over that chicken and enjoy. The recipe will be linked in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.